Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, day 3, 11 a.m. in the morning, I'm going to visit marine protected area. You can order seafood live. They will cook it on the spot. In the night time, it looks much better than in the morning. Hi, how are you?
This is Aldrin, yes.
Aldrin?
Very handsome guy.
Okay.
Nico. One of the best guy in the world. This is Carlo.
Carlo.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay. So this is your usual place.
Yes.
This is the place.
You always stay here.
Stay here. There is a one more best thing. If you stay in Budgeting Hotel, you have the market just behind, and you have the guide driver over here. This is a station for them, so you can find them over here. Family are going, 4 people here. Hi. Hello. It was a 10 minutes walk to the marine protected area. First you have to reach Malapascua port. From there you have two choice. Choice number 1, you can go through Tapani Beach Resort. Choice number 2, you can go through public cemetery. Since I am not a customer of the Tapani Beach Resort, I have to go through public cemetery. I have no other choice. It was scary, but it was worth it. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Here you can see the public cemetery and the Tapani Beach Resort located side by side. On your right side you can see marine protected area. In this area you can see baby sharks. In this shot you can see Malapascua port, cemetery beach, marine protected area, all located side by side, back to back. Baby shark fish, it is behind this resort. This is a protected marine area, so there's a lot of rules and regulation. You can't even wear a slipper over there. You need to leave your things on the board here or there. Leaving my valuable things on the cemetery beach, I'm not very comfortable with that, because we are going to the different area very far away from your belongings. So I took my trip very short. The water was crystal clear and cold, and it was a cloudy day. The visibility is not bad. During the 15 minutes, I couldn't see any baby sharks. Most of the people come to this island for diving. Since I am not a diver, I couldn't get the full experience and enjoyment from this island. But if you are a diver, you can visit the THRESHER shark. It is a famous and exclusive activity in Malapascua. Because of that one activity, people come all over from the world and dive in this island to see the THRESHER shark. If you know diving, you will love this Malapascua island. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon.